Plato told a story about prisoners chained in a cave. All they could see were shadows on a wall, and they believed those shadows were the whole world. But here is the part most people skip. One prisoner breaks free. He sees the sun. He sees real trees, real sky, real light. And then he goes back to tell the others. They don't thank him. They want to kill him. Why? Because he didn't just challenge their beliefs. He challenged their choice. See, most of those prisoners could have looked away at any point. They didn't. Darkness was familiar. Familiar felt safe. This is the uncomfortable truth Plato buried inside the story. People don't just fall into limitation. They guard it. They build walls around it. They attack anyone who threatens it. Because if the prisoner is right, then staying was a choice. And that is the hardest thing to admit. The cave was never just a place. It was a decision. The real question isn't whether you can see the light. It's whether you're willing to stop defending the dark.